I'm here now with Mr. and Mrs. Embledenia, who are here from Sri Lanka, and they are here to supervise this boxing tournament in Karachi. Welcome to Pakistan. How do you feel being here in the country?
I feel good because I have been here before, and we have old friends who we have met again today. And I'm very happy that I was assigned to this competition because Pakistan has good memories for us and it's very close to our hearts.
And what about you, Mr.?
I have been in Karachi a long time. I was teaching for 8 years at the grammar school in economics. Then I was also coaching boxing, athletics and cricket.
Let's talk about the competition. 20-odd countries taking part in the tournament and you being the part of the delegate and the jury. Are you happy with the arrangements that were put in place for the tournament?
Yeah, so far so good. Everything is going well. We have reached the culmination of the semi-finals today, and so far we haven't had any protests. The teams are very happy. They like the way they are treated by the local organizing committee, and same with officials. We are being housed in a very nice place. So far we're fine, and let's hope one more step, and when we reach the finals without protest, then we can say that we have done this competition successfully.
What about you, sir? Can you explain also the role of the jury in a boxing bout?
The jury oversees the boxing competition and looks at the management of the referees and judges. We allocate the referees and judges every day, bout by bout, not in advance, but one bout ahead. And then when they come and sit down there, they go and do their judging, and then we evaluate them in the evening. And the next morning we have an evaluation session to show their drawbacks or where they could improve. And gradually I think we have brought the judges together nicely, and they are working well. So the final should be a good finals. And also the other arrangements, gradually we have brought them up to standard. And I think as of today we can say it's truly an international event.
One of the highlights of the tournament was the presence of a legendary Pakistani boxer, Hussain Shah. Hussain won a bronze medal in the 1988 Seoul Olympics. The champion boxer also won a gold for Pakistan in the South Asian Games. Hussain's rise to the top is another extraordinary story of a Pakistani sportsman rising from the depths of misery and reaching dizzy heights.
ये था पता क्या उसे भूख थी कपड़े नहीं थे चलो मतलब वो आना है
और ये कि अल्लाह ने माशाल्लाह इतना करम किया, तो अब कैसे देखते हैं वो वक्त?
वो वक्त देखता हूँ, चाहता हूँ कि अल्लाह ना मेरे बच्चों को वक्त दे। अभी मेरे बच्चे बहुत खुश हैं और दुनिया के बड़े अच्छे शहर में रहते हैं, अच्छे मुल्क में रहते हैं, टोक्यो में रहते हैं। हाँ, इससे खुश हूँ। कभी हाँ यार, दिल तो चाहता है कभी आ जाए यहाँ ट्रेनिंग करें। बहुत से मेरे से बहुत शौक हो जाए, मेरे उस्ताद अली बख्श हैं, ये बहुत शौक हो जाए क्योंकि ये भी जापान रह चुके हैं ना, और जापानी कोच उनको चाहते हैं कि ये आए वापस, ये खुद मना करते कि नहीं मेरी जगह। तो जापान ये पाकिस्तान में बड़े बहुत शौक हो जाए है ना। अभी उसका अली बख्श है, दूसरा अल्लाह ने वो क्यूबन कोच है, और सारे अच्छे कोच हैं।
अपनी मेहनत के बारे में बताएं कि गेम में आप क्या मेहनत थे, क्या करते थे ऐसी जो आप में और बाकी में क्या डिफरेंस था?
भूख थी, पैसा नहीं था खाने के लिए, पहनने के लिए कपड़ा नहीं था, वो चीज़ थी मेरे को। A total of 22 boxers from Pakistan fought out in the event, and Mohammad Wasim, the captain of the Greens, sailed through his fights, reaching the semi-final, brimming with confidence. The captain of Pakistan Greens outfit, Mohammad Wasim, has continued in his merry ways, and he's now in the semi-finals of this tournament. He's once again outweighed his opponent. He's right here. एक और शानदार परफॉर्मेंस वसीम, कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। मेहनत की है इस टूर्नामेंट में, इंशाल्लाह आगे फाइनल भी हम जीतेंगे, इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान के लिए गोल्ड मेडल जीतेंगे।
But Wasim's luck ran out in the semi-finals. and the young boxer had to be content with the bronze medal.
जी खुश तो बहुत हूँ। मैंने तो अपना मेरा जो जगह था वो गोल्ड मेडल का था, लेकिन उस दिन फाइट में हमें पॉइंट भी नहीं मिले, तो वो तो फिर ऊपर वाले के हाथ में।